So Credences is all about creating value for the customer, and at the foundation of this company, it's all about great customer experience. So inside of great customer experience, every layer of technology and technology solutions is what Credences is all about. So we work in augmented reality, which is great customer experience, mobility solutions, which is great customer experience, wearable technology, which is again a great customer experience, which uh, which is actually expanding across the world, and there is a lot of customers who are getting onto these technologies.
Perfect. What inspired you to start Credences?
So precisely, as I said, we found ourselves that we can add a lot of value for the kind of customers, whether be it in India or be it in US. There's a lot which can be done by bringing new technologies on the forefront, and taking it and making it reach to the masses, right? And we thought that augmented reality is the future, and we started to invest our time, energy, and money into developing and working on these technologies. So AR and mobility and wearable is what really inspired us to start Credences in first place.
Great. Work culture around in your company?
So, to be in line with these new technologies, it requires the best of the minds and the best of the team and the collaboration to happen. And we knew it from day one that we'll really require a very different kind of culture here, right? And we believe the fact that, there's always a culture, whether you create it or it will always get created, right? And with that said, we know for sure that there is a design to the whole culture which we are going to bring in this organization. So, to cut it short, we are a very flat organization. There is absolutely no hierarchies across, right from the core of the team to the edge of the team. And the complete communication structure which we have in our company is anybody can communicate with everybody across the organization, and have a knowledge transfer and collaboration for everything which they are involved into.
Awesome. Where do you see your company in the near future? That is 2 or 3 years down the line.
So from where we stand right now, what we see is that the kind of markets which we have reached are all across the world. We are almost present in 20 plus countries as of today, and the way we see ourselves is to continue to expand and reach out to our customers into the same countries and across the globe, right? With more and more technology solutions across the whole spectrum. So the way we see is that we will have operations in US being expanded. We'll have operations in the Pacific, which is the Australia and Singapore region, being expanded greatly, and we will also want to penetrate more into the Indian subcontinent and the Gulf, to so to say, and reach out to more customers across the government, enterprise, and small and medium companies.
Awesome. One line to inspire the youth to join your company.
I would say if you really don't know what you want to do, go and watch Three Idiots again, right? It's very, very important. I myself have gone through the same stage which you guys are probably going through, and probably it will be the same for everybody. And I must say that I wanted to pursue my electronics and communication. I ended up doing commerce graduation. I dropped out, and I started this company and this whole technology business, and we just don't know where you reach. So it's always, find your passion, look for what really interests you, whether you ended up doing your commerce or whether you ended up doing your engineering. That's one thing for me. I believe there's a lot of people who have followed their heart, and they have all the good reasons to rejoice today. So looking backwards only you can connect the dots, as Steve Jobs said, and I totally believe in that.
Perfect. Great. Thank you very much for your time.